The White Desert Safari in Egypt is a popular tourist attraction that offers a unique and otherworldly landscape. The White Desert National Park is a 300 km national park located about 20 kilometers northeast of Farafra, on the east side of the road. The park is known for its blinding white chalk rock spires that sprout almost supernaturally from the ground, each frost-colored lollipop licked into a surreal landscape of familiar and unfamiliar shapes by the dry desert winds. These sculptural formations are best viewed at sunrise or sunset, when the sun lights them with orangey pink hues, or under a full moon, which gives the landscape a ghostly Arctic appearance. The sand around the outcroppings is littered with quartz and different varieties of deep black iron pyrites, as well as small fossils. On the west side of the Farafra-Bahariya Highway, away from the wind-hewn sculptures, between them run grand boulevards of sand, like geologic Champs-Élysées. No less beautiful than the east side of the road, the shade and privacy here makes it a great area to camp. About 50 kilometers north are two flat-topped mountains known as the Twin Peaks, a key navigation point for travelers, a favorite destination of local tour operators. The view from the top of the surrounding symmetrical hills, all shaped like giant ant hills, is spectacular.